Hi, I'm Max Haverfield, and what an honor it is to present this Independence Day musical tribute to audiences around the state of Kansas. Spend an evening enjoying beautiful music at one of our 5 tour stops. Don't miss this wonderful concert, including American favorites like God Bless America, Climb Every Mountain, and My Way. Join us for Sound of Glory, an American Spectacular. Joining us again this year include Gary Geist-Smith, principal pianist, music director Robert Lamar Sims, Catherine Dowling, soprano, Joy Haverfield, associate producer, keys and vocals. New faces this year include Brianna Peacock, soprano, and Lawrence Jackson on the trumpet. Tickets are sold through our Facebook page, Max Haverfield and Friends, or www.maxhaverfield.com, or call the box office at 785-953-0264.